Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Reselling Tips and Tricks on Shop 101 TV. My name is Nikhil and I work with Shop 101's product growth team. My job is to make sure that our resellers know all the tips and tricks of reselling to grow their businesses and earn more through Shop 101. In today's episode, we will be focusing on reselling essential products and earning during this lockdown. So, what are these essential products? Essential products are products that are necessary for the health, safety, and welfare of your customers. So some examples of these essential products are groceries, medicines, personal care items like body lotion, hair trimmers, food products like biscuits, kids care like diapers. So why are we focusing on essential products right now? As you all know, the lockdown has been extended for another 2 weeks. And this means that non-essential products like saris, kurtis and dresses won't be allowed to be delivered in most cities in India. Essential products are needed by everyone as there is a huge shortage of shops nearby and the supplies of these products are currently at a very high rate. Essential products like hair trimmers are especially important at these times because there are no barber shops for grooming. Even kids care products like diapers are very important as stock is low in stores and even if there are, it is very expensive. Now getting to the part of how to resell essential products. To find essential products, go to the essential category on the Shop 101 app. To find this, all you have to do is open the app. You will find a banner on the main page called Shop 101 Essentials. Click on that banner and you will see multiple categories like personal care, food, home, health, groceries, etc. I will now give you 4 simple tips to help you resell essential products and start earning during this lockdown period. Your first step, resell on WhatsApp more than Facebook. This is the best time to show your existing customers that you care and your store has items that they would need at this time. No better platform than WhatsApp to do this as these are your existing contacts and know you personally. Imagine one of your friend who has a baby and who needs diapers currently but is unable to find one nearby. You can solve this problem right now by reselling. Step 2. Keep low margins. During this period, it is essential that you are not overcharging your customers. Keep only 20 to 30 rupee margins to make sure you are earning the trust of your customer. Not only does this build trust, but also shows the customer that you care. These are the things that go a long way and I will bet you that these are the customers who will return for more orders in the future. Step 3. Ask customers to refer their friends. Once you have successfully placed an order for your customer, ask him or her to refer a friend. This is a great way to sell more products to your customers as well as making sure that everyone gets essential goods at this period. For example, if you have sold a beard trimmer to a customer, ask him to refer a friend. I am sure that he will have friends that are in need of a trimmer currently. One more thing that you can do is give a discount to the customer who has made the referral on his next purchase. This not only increases customer base but also increases repeat orders. Step 4. Resell products that are relevant to your customers. There are many products in the essential categories. Make sure you think like your customer and identify products that are going to be useful for them. For example, diapers are going to be more useful than a bottle of pickle to a customer who has a baby. So make sure that you are thinking like your customer and choosing products to share with them. Follow these 4 steps and start reselling essential products today. If you have any doubts, please reach out to your managers from Shop 101 and they will guide you through. We will be bringing you more videos like this to help you earn better and grow your businesses on Shop 101. Hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please like this video on our YouTube channel and subscribe. I will see you soon with more reselling tips and tricks. Until then, stay home, stay safe, start reselling today.